Hello, I am Linda Nelson and I work on the education team for KinderCare Education. And my son Henry is going to be helping us out today. He's going to be reading our phonics reader for the day. My dog Ruby is here as well. She's going to be listening along with us. And if you have a pet at home, I'd encourage you to read together with your child to your pet from time to time. Reading's good for everybody, right, Henry?
Yep.
All right. So
I do love to read.
You do love to read. Well, come on in, Henry.
Hello.
Okay. Have you introduced yourself?
Hi, my name is Henry. I'm a KinderCare graduate. I am now 8 years old, and today I'll be reading My Cat. My Cat by Lyssa Horvath, illustrated by Krista Martenson. My Cat by Lyssa Horvath, illustrated by Krista Martenson. My cat. My cat sat. I pat my cat. Mat. My cat on the mat. I sat on the mat. I pat my cat on the mat. Decodable words. At. Cat, sat, pat, mat. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back next week for our next phonics activity.